as hearts collide. The house shakes with thunder, the world outside denied. Scrapper stands in shadows, a beacon in the night, with a heart like a volcano, ready to ignite. His laughter echoes fierce, like a battle cry. In a realm of false kings, he's just passing by. Oh, Scrapper, so misunderstood, a wildfire spirit burning bright and good. With every word you speak, a truth unleashed, knocking down the walls as the silence ceased. Just a boy on a journey lost in the haze, searching for friendship in the fiery maze. Dancing on the edge of the razor's embrace, his soul a canvas painted with anguish and grace. Desire's a demon, whispering sweet lies, but Scrapper's spirit soars like a phoenix that flies. With a heart full of passion, he lights up the gloom. In the tempest of youth, he's the flower in bloom. Oh, Scrapper, so misunderstood, a wildflower fighting through the cracks of wood. With every word you speak, a truth unleashed, knocking down the walls as the silence ceased. Just a soul in the chaos, seeking the flame, in the shadows of darkness, not seeking the fame. But like storm clouds gather, dark hearts conspire. In a world full of venom, they stoke the fire. Yet Scrapper stands firm, with a shield made of dreams. His voice like a thunderstorm, tearing at the seams. Misfire of fate, they don't see what he sees. In a house full of laughter, he's the soul-searching peace. Oh, Scrapper, so misunderstood, a lighthouse of truth where the tides of pain stood. With every word you speak, a truth unleashed, knocking down the walls as the silence ceased. Just a warrior of friendship, fierce in the night, charging through shadows, he's ready to fight. So raise up your glasses to the boy in the storm, to the heart that keeps beating.